Hey guys, Dave here. Well, if you're anything like me, you love spaghetti, but spaghetti can get boring just on its own, so I decided to make up some baked spaghetti but add a real twist to it. But I'm going to keep it as a secret until we get into the recipe, and this is so good, believe me, so let me show you how to do it. What you want to do first off the bat is boil up some water and add some salt to it. I don't know, somewhere in the neighborhood of about a teaspoon. Throw in some spaghetti. I'm using about 300 grams here, a good handful. And we'll just cook this up for about 10 or 12 minutes until it's al dente and where the spaghetti has a bit of a bite to it. After about 10 or 12 minutes, just go ahead and give this a good strain. Okay, to make our baked spaghetti, I'm going to take a 9x9 dish and add some spaghetti sauce into the bottom, just enough to cover it. And I'm just using store-bought stuff, and this is herb and garlic. And just give it a swirl and twirl around until it completely covers the bottom. Then just go ahead and grab up some of that paschetti or spaghetti and just kind of lay it onto the bottom over top of that spaghetti sauce. Just so we're starting off with a good baser layer here. Of course, spread it around so you get a nice even distribution. After that, we're going to spread on another layer of sauce. Again, we want everything as even as possible. Season it up with a bit of salt, then some ground black pepper, and I usually lace it on fairly heavy with the pepper. And you probably guessed it if you watch any of my videos, some Italian seasoning and a good heaping teaspoon of that, because it is spaghetti. And that's Italian. And some of my all-time favorites, some basil. Basil goes well with any kind of pasta, at least in my humble opinion. Then a good layer of mozzarella, and mozzarella is so good, you just about have to have it on everything, I think anyway. Or maybe cheese in general. Okie dokie, follow that up with another layer of spaghetti, and you probably guessed it, it's kind of like building a lasagna here type of thing, but it's spaghetti, not lasagna. Some more sauce, and of course you want to balance that jar of sauce out or budget it out so you get enough for the whole thing, so just use it accordingly. And of course I only want to use one jar. Now here's the big twist and secret I was talking about. I'm going to put pepperoni on it. Now you could use ground beef or something like that, but I just love pepperoni, and it is so good on this, believe me, trust me. So get a nice even layer of pepperoni on there. And believe it or not, there is good and bad pepperoni, so get a good pepperoni if you can. After our pepperoni twist, on we go with a final good layer of grated mozzarella. So you can lay this on fairly thick. You could use a combo of cheeses too, like some old sharp cheddar or Monterey Jack, whatever you have on hand. Finally, another sprinkle of basil over top of that mozzarella because I just love basil. And what the heck, let's throw a little more Italian seasoning over the top too. Just for some good luck and some good flavor. Okie dokie, now we're going to throw this into a 360-degree Fahrenheit preheated oven for about 20 minutes. After about 20 minutes or so, we are done, guys, and just look at this. Doesn't this look absolutely incredible? I think so anyway. And the smell, oh the smell, it smells so good and looks so good. You are definitely going to want to make this up. And let's just kind of cut into this, guys, using a spoon and lift it up and just see how it looks. Ooh, doggies, is this not beyond belief? This is baked spaghetti at its very best. And just look at this, it's saucy, oh my goodness, it is so good. I mean, when you bite into it, you got those incredible flavors, and that pepperoni is beyond belief. You definitely have to make this up. And if you do, guys, leave us a comment because I love to read them. Give us a like. It helps the channel out. And most of all, subscribe. Why not? It's free. Thanks for watching, guys. Stay safe, and we shall see you Sunday. Remember, Sunday in our next video.